This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Caskey. Beautiful detached condo/home in Belmeade that backs up to Lake Smith, walking trails and bridge. Nature abounds, private. Beautiful hardwood floors on first floor and brand new carpet upstairs. Maintenance-free living with clubhouse and pool. Gas fireplace warms the open floor plan living with a spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances and huge pantry. Lots of natural light and ample brick patio for cookouts and gathering. Welcome to bird-chirping Belmeade in Ridgley Manor. For more information, review the details below.